Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to know your Salesforce API version. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To determine the Salesforce API version you are currently using, you can use a few different methods. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select the setup option. Now here, in the quick find box, type API. And that would lead you to the API option, which leads you to the API WSDL, allows you to integrate Salesforce with your application. If you hover down below, you can see the Manage API Class Certificate. All right. So these are more advanced options for you. But on this case, click on the API. Now, go to the upper part corner where you can see the Generate Enterprise WSDL or WSDL. Because here, if you don't have the privileges, you can't perform the operation. But of course, that is one of the best ways for you to get the API version of your Salesforce. If you don't have, well then, now another option is go to the upper right corner and click the Developer Console. And here, click on the Debug menu. And there should be an option that says Open Execute Anonymous Window or Control+E. And of course, you just have to click execute and then check the logs tab at the bottom to see the output, which will include the API version. Now, if you don't have all these options, the last thing that you can do is go to the Salesforce help, click the get support and click on confirm, and you would be forwarded to another page. All right. Seems like you need some access privileges before you can find the API version. All right. But of course, we're going to ask some troubleshooting steps and insights from the Salesforce technical support. Wait for it. And from here, all I have to do is click on the Create a Case. You would be forwarded to a new window. And all I have to do is type your subject here, description, and enter the email or search by name. You can also upload a file, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to get your Salesforce API version, which is crucial for effective integration, development testing, and maintenance of applications. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.